Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how you can launch a web server on an EC2 instance. Okay, so to launch a web server, first of all you should understand what is a web server. So a web server is nothing but a service, okay, which is used to serve your web pages on the internet or in your local host as well. Okay, so there are different web servers, like you have Apache, then you have Nginx. So these are the two web servers, major web servers which we use, and also you will see Apache Tomcat, JBoss as well somewhere. So what we are going to do, we are going to first of all create a EC2, and that will be having a web server. Here we will be having some website, and on a public IP we are going to access it. So let's do it, how we can do it. So first of all, launch an EC2 instance. So if you have already, then you can just skip this part, that's fine. So I will just go and launch an EC2 instance with some name. I will give anything test, and type I can select this one, and key pair you can choose it. What if you have already a key pair that you can use, or you can just click here create new key pair, or for putty you can use ppk, or for pem you can for normal Linux you can use this pem file. So it's fine. So I will recommend, if you're on Windows, use ppk. Then security group is there, that all will see which are the ports to allow. So I will leave everything as default. I will just launch an EC2 instance and we'll wait. Okay, so I will till then just pause the video until it launch. Okay, it's pending state. We'll just wait. Okay, now it's running fine. So I will take this public IP, and I will log in through a putty. So here already I have a ppk file, so I will just go and browse there. I will select this key, and in SSH. So AMI image was basically Amazon Linux, so you will use this username, actually EC2 user @IP. Just click on open. It should connect. Let's see. Yeah, we got connected. We are into the Linux machine. Now we will see how we can just install a web server. So basically we are going to install Apache one. So first of all, you need to update your system. You can do using sudo yum update -y. It will take a few seconds of time, so we'll just wait. Okay, it started. Okay, that's done. Let's do sudo yum install, and you have to give httpd -y. Just we are giving to by default passing yes, like it will not ask you. Then you have to start your web service, like you can do sudo systemctl start httpd. Okay, started. Then we have to enable. Cool. Then you have to check one status. So here you can see it's active and running. So now what we have to do, we have to go into our website. So here if I go and if I click here, so here nothing I will get. Why? Because port is not allowed. So what is happening, by default whatever we are trying, it goes for port 80 only. So port 80 we have logged in, we have not given the access in the security group. Okay, so what we are going to do, we'll go here and I will go for the security here. Then I'll just click on this security, and I'll try to just select it, edit inbound rules, and we'll add a new rule, custom TCP. Okay, that's fine. We'll give the port 80, and we want from anywhere. Just save the rules. Okay, so now if I go, so here you can see it works. So in this way you can just deploy. Now if you want to change this default web page, so we need to go into this path var www, then you can go for html. Okay, that's a directory actually. We have to do cd var www html and just list here. Okay, where are we? We are here only. Okay, here nothing we have. What we can do, where is index.html? Let's go here, just do sudo -i. I will just find it. Let's again run this command. Okay, so you can see at multiple places. I think, is it this one? I will just copy this path and I will try to open it. Okay, so here you can see it works Apache HTTPD. If I just going to edit this path, means edit this line, I will give we deployed a web server on EC2. So save it and we will just reload it, and it's still showing it works. I think it's not taking this one. Okay, I will just check the default path. What is the default path? Apache HTTPD default path of index.html. Okay, it's showing this only, but here it's not present, right? So nothing was here. If we go here, okay, we will find let me just find it. We'll try to create here one file and we'll see what it's showing. I will give just h1 tag. We have deployed a web server. So if I just try to reload it, okay, here you can see now it came. So basically here you have to just create a path, sorry, not path, you have to create a index.html here. So in this way you can just deploy your web server, guys. So that's it, and I will see you in the next one. Thank you so much for watching.